Hey, how's it going, folks? This is DJ with the Rabbit Squirrel Garage, and we got some exciting news. I finally, after 2 months of waiting, got the exhaust for the Virago 250, the xv250, and we're going to get that put on today. I also got new jets for the carburetor. We're going to put that on, and then performance-wise, that'll be it. We're done. So I already got a new air filter. I'm going to do the jets and the exhaust. But I think I'm going to paint the exhaust black first. This is what it looks like when it came to me. And I don't know if you can see it, but you can see the weld marks. And it's not really chrome, it's just metal. I mean, it looks like chrome, but it's not. So, but I want them painted black anyway. So I'm not even going to worry about the weld marks. I think it'll look cool black and, you know, having those little bend marks in there. So yeah, that's what we're doing. We're putting the exhaust and rejetting the carburetors today. So stick with me. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get these painted black real quick. It's probably going to take about 3 coats. And I'm using engine enamel 500. It's glossy black. So that should work just fine. And here we go. The baffle too. Alright, we'll let those coats dry for a minute and we'll come back out and put on a second coat. Second coat's done. Let's let them sit again. We'll put one more coat on just for good measure. Just to make sure I've hit everything and didn't miss anything. Alright, I'll call it there. That's it. That's good for the last coats. Now we just need to let them dry, and I'm going to turn this heater on right below them so that we get some warm air on them. It's a little bit chilly out here today. It's still well above the 50 degrees minimum that they require, so it's about 62 right now, 63, but yeah, the heat there will help it a little bit. So alright, go ahead and cut it there, and what we'll do is go ahead and start taking the rest of it apart so we can rejet the carburetor. Alright, let's go ahead and get the gas tank off. 12 millimeter. Alright, now, with all the thousands of hoses, I can never remember which ones to actually pull off, so I've got to do it again, all over again. But actually, now that I'm looking at it, that's the bottom of the carb. I don't have to do anything. I'm just going to take that off. Yeah. All right. That makes it 1,000 times easier. So that's the bottom of the carburetor right there. So we're just gonna pull it off. Should be quick and easy. So lift this up. All right, and there's our jet. Right there. Yeah, these are our jets that we're going to swap out right here, these two. And I've got the new ones right over here. Let's pull the main one off first. This should be a 110, and what I got was 115s to replace it. So get a towel. Yeah, because we went with the aftermarket air cleaner and the aftermarket exhaust. I'm going to go up by 5 on the main jet. So the stock one is a 110, it says it right there. Yep, it says 115 on it. And it looks just like the other one. So, put it on. Okay. Got the main jet in. Now let's look at the pilot jet. This should be a 17.5 pilot, and I'm replacing it with a 20. And there is some writing there, but I can't see it. Oh yeah, 17. Yeah, 17.5. Okay. So swapping that one out for this would be a number 20. Okay, there we go. Yep, and just put the bottom back on and we're done. Alright, let's go ahead and get this exhaust off. We'll start in the front here. Oh boy, those bolts look rusty. Where are they? 10mm wrench. This breather tube needs to come off, just to get it out of our way more than anything. That's why it's always nice to have a variety of tools. A pair of nice long needle nose and pop it right off. There we go. Alright, stick that up out of the way. Wow, we've got 2 12mm there. Come on. Take this off too, get out of the way. Go ahead and try those again on the front. Get them loose. Oh yeah. Alright, there it is. It's off. And if you notice, this is a fake pipe. Doesn't go anywhere. This is the rear cylinder down here, and the pipe's still actually on it. So it's right down there. See it? So this one is actually an exhaust pipe, but this one is not. It's just for show. So, I mean, the exhaust comes up in through here and out it, but from here to here, it's not anything. So. Yeah, plenty. Alright, let's just set that off to the side. We don't need that anymore. Alright, I've run this side. I know you can't see it, but what I have to do is take the ignition system off, the key, to get to the bolt behind it. Okay, well, in order to get this exhaust pipe off back here, you've got to take the ignition key off. It and its plate you have to take off. Well, one of the bolts stripped out on me, so it uses a star bit, T27 I think it is. Anyway, it stripped out on me, so it took me a while to extract that bolt and get it up, but now I'm done, and here we are again, about to take this off. So, yeah, everything's loose. Should just come right out of here somehow. Don't ask me how. There you go. And that is your second exhaust pipe. Yeah, like I said, the big chrome piece that came up here was fake, completely fake. So, yeah, there we go. Alright, as far as getting the rear foot peg off on this side, it's pretty simple. Just take I'm just going to take the whole plate off. I'm not even going to cut it off or anything. It just, I mean, it just goes right there, you know. So, I don't see any reason to mess with it, to be honest. Because it's just sitting there. I mean, I may need to add some washers to the swing arm, but that would be it. And this cover goes on here, so it's covered up all that. I mean, that looks fine to me. Of course, I'd clean all that up, but yeah, I'm just going to leave it off completely, and that's it. Alright, let's go check the exhaust and see if it's dry yet. Alright, yeah, this is the exhaust, and it looks like it's definitely dry enough to put on. So let's go ahead and mount it up. Before we can put the exhaust on, I need to put the swing arm back in place, because I got to get rid of this jack. So let's see what we can do here. Alright, we're going to use a little backyard ingenuity to get this swing arm up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this around it. Go this way since it's right there. And then I'm just going to ratchet it up. Let's get it in. There it went. Boom. Just like that. Ah! There it goes. Alright, we're just putting some washers on this so we can get the nut on it and be done. Just like that. And then this will all get cleaned up and painted black. So, alright, let's get back to putting the exhaust on. So, let's just have a look here. Here, there and there, and then, okay, that goes to that bolt. So, it'll be on that bolt there. Alright. Go this way. Yeah, I think it does. Oh, they both hit the same bolt. Oh, okay. Okay, they both hit the same bolt. So I gotta pull that back out. Alright, let's get going and get this exhaust put on. I nicked it right there, so I'm going to have to repaint that, but I'll do that after we get it installed. We can touch it up later. Right now the main goal is just to get it on there and get it installed. So there's this bolt, there should be one on the other side. Put the new crush ring in. So the front one has to go. So, good enough. Let's do it. I'm tightening it down. I'm not tightening it down. I'm just getting it in place. So let's see here. Fresh washer. And okay. One down. Trying to make life difficult for me. There we go. Did I get it? Oh, I got it. lot, folks. Alright. I had to take a short break. This was starting to annoy me. So we've pretty much got our exhaust going here. And we're just tightening everything up. Alright, let's put this hose back on. Okay, there we go. We are back on and we got a new exhaust. We've got the exhaust on. Give me a minute and we'll start the bike up and see how it sounds. I think the exhaust looks good. Needs to be repainted, but it looks pretty good. Chunks over here. I moved it. Potato. Man, that thing sounded great. I love it. Alright, we're done, folks. There it is. Let's call it right there. Alright, folks, so we're going to call this video done. And we got the new exhaust put on. That came from China, by the way. The new exhaust came from China and it took 2.5 months to get here. It sat in customs up in New York for a month and a half. So, yeah. Actually, almost 2 months it sat in customs. So, it spent more time there than it did traveling everywhere. Anyway, got stuck in customs, so if you decide to get an exhaust like this, be ready for that. I got this off of eBay. It was like $160 something. So, but it's great. I like it and I like the sound. It looks good. I'm going to have to repaint it. But we also got the carburetors rejetted. So we went from a 110, main jet 110, we went to a 115. And for the pilot jet, we went from a 17.5 to a 20. And that's supposed to be what you should use if you're doing a new air filter and exhaust. So, but I'll check it and make sure. We don't want it to run too lean. Running rich is easier to deal with. But if it's running too lean, you risk blowing up your motor. So, but yeah, all right, we're gonna call it there. And oh, there's Layla. She decided to come say hi. Say hi. All right. Anyway, we're gonna call it there. And thanks for watching. And if you could hit that thumbs up, hit that like button, and subscribe to the channel. It helps me. It lets me know that you like what I'm doing, and you want to see more of it. So. Hit that subscribe and hit that bell button if you want to get notified every time that I put a new video up. I try to do it one a day, sometimes every other day, but I'm trying to do one a day. So, yeah, alright, I'll catch you on the next one.